In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to log out of X account on all devices. This is important for protecting your privacy, enhancing security, and maintaining control over your digital presence. It helps prevent unauthorized access in case a device is lost. To do this, simply head to your X account. You want to tap right here to head to your settings and privacy. On the settings page, head to the second option of security and account access. Here, head to apps and sessions. On this page, you will have to select onto the second option of sessions. You will see all devices that have access to your account. Now to log out all devices, simply tap on Log Out of all other sessions. All devices that are actively logged into your account will get removed instantly. Well, that's how easy it is to log out of X on all devices. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.